My name is Narayan Iyer. I live in Pune, 63 years old. She has been suffering from pain in the knees about 4-5 years ago it started. We tried all sorts of treatments including Ayurvedic, Siddha and allopathic medicines. They all gave temporary relief but lasting a few weeks, and then the pain used to recur. A few months ago the pain became very acute and she was not able to take a reasonably long walk, and she would sit down after walking a little distance. Like if you could walk about half an hour every day, then it came down to less than 5 minutes. So that's what prompted us to look for alternative treatment. So we searched through websites and consulted various friends. Some of my friends and their relations have undergone total knee replacement surgeries, and they gave us the confidence that it's perhaps the right kind of treatment for knee pain of this type, arthritic knee pain. So then the next question was to where to get the surgery done. Again, we went through searching through the websites and contacting friends and get their advice. We were told that Pune has a very famous center by the name Sancheti Hospital for total knee replacement and rehabilitation. However, we preferred somehow that we go to south because we have heard of good reputation, good doctors, good treatments in Chennai. There was a second personal reason also, because my son is located in Chennai. We thought that it would be of great help to us if we could get the thing done in Chennai. So now after having come to Chennai, then we had, next question was where, which hospital. We went to one of the very reputed hospital for knee replacements or other kinds of orthopedic surgeries. We went through the initial testing, etc., but somehow something didn't click, and we found that we were a little lost. The place looked far too overcrowded, and there wasn't any personal attention that being paid, and such an important major surgery. Frankly, we didn't feel comfortable at all. So both of us were discussing it while waiting for some reports from that hospital clinic, and then we suddenly decided that no, this is not the place. And the next thing, we again went back to the websites and we found Dr. Venkachalam's name, and we found that his was almost the first name that appeared in terms of total knee surgeries. So after going through his website and the various achievements he has made, somehow we felt confident. I mean, there was some sixth sense which said that no, this is the person who we should go to. So we sought an appointment and went to his clinic. And he made a thorough examination, and he said yes, it's a fit case for total knee replacement for both knees. And he advised us that the best place to get this actual procedure done would be the Lifeline Hospital in Perungudi, where he operates. So Dr. Venkachalam was kind enough to sort of be with us right from the beginning till she became fit for the operation the next day. And this was done as a lateral operation, so both knees with a gap of 4 days were done. And then after about 10 or 11 days of staying in the hospital, we were discharged and then went through a series of post-operative treatments, which included physiotherapies, and they were healing of the wounds, etc. took some time. So Dr. Venkachalam stood by us like a rock during this period because it was new to us. And one of the things that struck us most was Dr. Venkachalam. Of course, I mean, there's no question of his repute and his competence in terms of knee replacement surgeon, but he was such a fine person. I mean, he's a very good man, human being. So, and a person with a good sense of humor, he put you at ease, patiently answer all your questions, stand by you, and give you the right kind of advice at the right time. So it was a very good experience for both of us, including my wife underwent the operation. I only was standing by, so you can say I have perhaps formed my opinions. But then my wife, who has undergone the whole pain of the operation, she felt extremely comfortable. I would also like to put in a word about the hospital. It's an excellent hospital. The staff and the various doctors, various departments are excellent. I mean, And there really nothing. On the whole, we found that the hospital experience was something which was fantastic, and this was followed by at home. So that my wife is able to walk about, and with the confidence given by Dr. Venkatachalam, my wife even squatted on the bench. I mean, she could completely bend and turn. I think she hasn't done this even when the knees are all right. So I think that's an additional faculty she has been given by Dr. Venkatachalam. She can now sit on the floor if required. So that's a great achievement for us. And we are now at the end of the treatment, walk about even without any assistance, without any help, without anyone holding her hand or her holding a stick. I mean, she does hold a stick once in a while to feel confident, but I think she doesn't require that anymore. So I must say that I would like to very sincerely thank Dr. Venkatachalam for I mean, he is like God sent for us. So we are very happy about this whole process and the way it has happened. And if anyone of my friends or relations were to require a total knee replacement surgery, I think I would wholeheartedly recommend Dr. Venkatachalam and his care, and also the Lifeline Hospital. Thank you.
நான் கால் ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் நல்லா இருக்கேன், நல்லா நடந்துட்டு இருக்கேன், வாக் போயிட்டு வரேன், மேலே படியெல்லாம் ஏறுறேன், ஒன்றும் கஷ்டமாக இருக்கிறது இல்லை, நல்லா இருக்கேன்.
Thank you.